just can't get out of my
Alright guys, so I'm heading to Laws of Motion. I got a text from Jesse saying that he thinks he might be there. He can't really see too much and it's a weird area, but he thinks he might be in the building. I got a cameraman with me. He doesn't want to reveal his identity because he doesn't want JigSaw to come after him. But I brought him with me to film and to help protect me, get my back so that we don't have JigSaw coming after us too. If you guys don't know what happened, here's a clip of what happened yesterday.
Previously.
No, I don't want to play a game. I'm not interested in your games.
I don't see anything. You know why I like to play a game?
Oh my god. Bro, what do we do?
What? Jesse!
Today.
I don't really know what to expect, but we'll be there very shortly, so I'll update you guys when we get there. Jesse, are you in here? Is anyone here right now? Jesse! Jesse! Here, let me check inside. Maybe he's passed out. Can't see anything. There's no way we could fit in here. There's way too much stuff. Alright. I don't know. Let's check the bathroom, dude. Oh my god. Jesse's calling me. Dude. Let's go over there. Let's go answer it. Jesse? Are you at Laws of Motion? I came here to rescue you, dude. Here, I'm gonna put him on speakerphone. Oh my god. Guys, do you hear him? Jesse, where are you?
I don't know, man.
Are you at Laws? Do you think you're at Laws of Motion?
My arm, bro. My arm.
What happened to your arm, dude?
It looks like Laws, but I don't know. I can't tell. It's so black, bro. I can't see anything. It's pitch black.
Are you okay, though? What happened?
JigSaw, okay? It's JigSaw.
Yeah?
He put me in one of his games and I escaped it.
You escaped? So you're safe now? Or is he still, are you just still playing?
No, man, I don't know if it's over yet. I escaped, but I can't figure out how to get out of this room. So I'm gonna send you the clips, okay? I need you to put it in the video. I'm gonna send you what happened. He deleted all my pictures and videos and he left me one message on my phone.
What was the message? Was it bad or was it just a game?
It was the game. It was how to play the game. And I did the game, but I had to cut my arm and now I'm bleeding like crazy.
What do you want me to do?
Bro, honestly, man, like, just put the clips, man. Just leave, and I'm gonna try to figure a way out. Okay, I'll let you know. Okay, I'll let you know.
Okay, call me as soon as you know where you are, and I'll come get you.
I will.
Oh my god, guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna wait until he sends me these clips. I'll update you guys when that happens. Okay guys, so he just sent the clips to my phone. I just received them and it's really messed up. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see it.
Do you know why you're here? We're gonna play a game. As you can see, you're tied up and you can't go anywhere. I've given you your phone for the simple fact that you can read this message. In front of you, across the hall, is your SIM card. That is the only way you'll be able to escape. So here's your first hint. Up, never note. But up.
Guys, what the hell just that? Where the hell am I? Hello? Hello? Yo, guys. Where the hell am I? Oh my god. What the frick? Why am I stuck? What am I stuck to? What is this? Look at... My freaking leg is stuck, guys. What the hell? Yo, what do I do? What do I do? Okay, he said, sticky note. Where did I... That one? I can't reach that. There's gotta be another one somewhere. Come on! Frick! Where the hell is it? Oh my god, I think it's here. Where is it? What is this? What is this? How much do you value your life? What the hell, guys? What is going on? Okay, what does that mean? How much do you value your life? Okay, wait. Yo. What's this? It can't be what I'm thinking. No. This is not happening. What happened last? What happened? Where am I? Yo, guy. FaceTiming JigSaw 3am. What time is it? What happened? Hello? Yo! Okay, what else do I have? What is this? What is this rope for? What the heck? Yo, a minute. It's a sticky note. Okay, what if I don't know what that note is. I can't reach it, guys. But maybe I can like, maybe I can reach it with this cord. I don't know. Oh, frick. Come on. Oh! Frick! Oh, come on. Oh. Okay, what if I can't reach it? Can I reach it with this thing? Oh my god. What is this? What does this say? Arm or leg? Your choice? What do you mean, my choice? Help! Help! What does he mean, my choice? My leg? You mean when he cut my leg? My arm. Wait. What? Wait a minute. What the hell is this? What the frick? Yo! What's wrong with my arm? Yo! What the frick is this? Guys! Yo! There's something in my arm. Oh my god! Yo, I'm so... What does he mean? Arm or leg, your choice. How much do I value my life? Is that... I don't understand! What did I do? What's in my arm? What's in my arm? What? Ugh! I can't show this on video. There's a lock. Maybe I have to cut my arm to get the key to unlock my leg? Where am I? He said there's a SIM card at the end of a hallway. Yo. Frick! What did I do? I don't understand. If I have no choice, that's what I'm gonna have to do. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god. I'm gonna pass out. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. My arm, guys. My arm. I'm out though. I'm out. Oh. Where the hell am I? Where am I? It's just a black room, guys. My SIM card. I have to call somebody. I can't go further. Ah.